Hello guys, this is Satimisa, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to make ad hoc network in Windows 7. Guys, before starting this video, I want to tell you, if this is your first time watching one of our video, then please make sure to subscribe and just press the bell icon. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, first you have to click on this control panel. So guys, now here you need to click this, then click on a small icon, then click on network and sharing center, then you need to click on manage wireless networks. So guys, now from here you need to click on add, then click on create an ad hoc network, then click on next, then type your ad hoc network name, then you have to choose security type. So I'm going to choose this third option. Then you need to type here security key. So guys, next you need to take this option. Now click on next. So guys, after this you need to close this. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video guys. Please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. So guys, see you soon in my next video.